So firstly, let's understand what are linear equations in two variable, as we have done linear equation in one variable previously. What was that equation? That equation was ax plus b equal to 0. Here we are using one variable, right? Okay, similarly for two variable, it will be of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, right? Here we are using two variables, so this is the linear equation of two variables, right? First of all, linear equation where the power should be 1. Linear means that the power should be 1. Here power of x is 1. Here power of x is 1. Here also power of y is 1. So we say linear equation where the degree of the equation is 1. Degree means highest power of the variable, and the variable power is given here 1, right? So earlier हमने पहले क्या किया था, हमने कुछ इस टाइप की क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते थे. 2x plus 3 equal to 0, right? 2x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 upon 2. So this was the linear equation in one variable that you have done in class 8, right? Okay, because the variable is 1 and directly you can find out the solution here. Okay, now let's come to the linear equation in two variable, which is of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of linear equation in two variable. That means we are having two variables, and secondly the power of the variable is 1, where a, b and c, all these are constants. ठीक है, a, b, c are constants and x and y are variables. Okay, x and y are variables and a, b, c are constants. Okay, so from here we can easily see the equations will be of the form. Let's take some examples for linear equations now, like 2x plus 3y plus 7 equal to 0. Now this equation is the linear equation in two variable, right? 2x plus 3y, or we can write it as 2x plus 3y minus 7. Both are right, but this is the standard form, right? But this is the standard form. Okay, so it's of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. No, Nishta, this is not exercise 4.1. We are doing linear equation one variable. That means what are the two variables? Here we are doing the introduction, that what are the linear equations in two variable. Okay, so that means a is 2 here, b is 3 here, and c is 7 here, right? That means a is 2 here, b is 3, and c is 7. Okay, so this is called the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Linear equation where the power of the variables should be 1, and two variables, that means the equation is consisting two variable. Okay, once this ax, this is the ax plus by plus c, this is this equal to 0. This is the standard form of the equation, linear equation in two variable, right? Chapter, yes, this is chapter 4. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form. So let's take more examples. 7x minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now we can say that this equation we can say that this equation is linear equation in two variable, right? Because there are two variables and both of the variables are having power 1. That's why we will say that these are the linear equations in two variables, right? See, previously we have done these kind of equation, ax plus b equal to 0, right? Like suppose 2x plus 5 equal to 0, 2x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 upon 2, right? If we want to represent x equal to minus 5 upon 2, so we can represent it like this on number line: 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 2 by 2, if you remember, minus 3 by 2, minus 4 by 2, minus 5 by 2, minus 6 by 2, like this. We can represent it on number line, right? That we have done in class 8. Now, we are having the equation of this kind: 2x plus 5y plus 7 equal to 0, right? Now we are having two variables. So that means here we will use coordinate axis, where we have x also and we have y also, right? So that's why we have done coordinate axis in chapter 3 to find out the solution of these kind of equations, right? So now let's come to the exercise now. Exercise 4.1. The first question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Exercise 4.1. First question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write the linear equations in two variables to represent this statement. Okay. So आपको linear equation लिखनी है इसको represent करने के लिए. So here we are doing two variables. तो क्या करेंगे हम, दोनों जो भी हमें given है हम उसे two variables में लेकर आएंगे. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. मतलब एक हमें notebook given है, एक हमें pen given है, right? तो दोनों के लिए हमें अलग अलग variable लेना पड़ेगा. जब हमें two variables given होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम दोनों के लिए अलग अलग variable लेते हैं. अगर हम वन वेरिएबल से करें तो हम बोल सकते हैं पेन की कॉस्ट हमने ले ली x, नोटबुक की कॉस्ट कितनी हो जाएगी 2x. दैट वी हैव डन अर्लियर ओनली, राइट? बट नाउ हियर yes, Satvik, yes, notebook x and pen will take y, not 2y. Okay, so हम let करेंगे, let cost of notebook is equal to rupees x, because here we are doing two variable. So हम दोनों के लिए, दोनों जो हमें given है things, उनके लिए अलग अलग variable let करेंगे. नोटबुक के लिए ले लिया x, पेन के लिए क्या ले ली y, right? Two variables we are taking. You can choose any variable. आप variable choose अलग कर सकते हो, right? So notebook के लिए हमने ले लिया x, पेन के लिए y. Now you can tell what the equation will be. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Write down the linear equation for this. क्या linear equation होगी इसकी? 2xy is wrong, Srishti. Yes, Satvik, x is equal to 2y. Good. Y is equal to 2x. Let's read it. Cost of notebook. Cost of notebook is x. Is twice. Twice means that is 2 times of cost of pen. So it will be x is equal to 2y. That will be the linear equation in two variable. Okay, x is equal to 2y. Cost of notebook is x, cost of pen is y, and cost of notebook is 2 times the cost of pen. So it will be x is equal to 2y. Okay, Yeah, 2y is equal to x is also right. Or if you want to write down in standard form, अगर हम इसे standard form में लिखें, then it will be x minus 2y, 2y will be here left hand side, equal to 0. Yes, this equation will be the linear equation in two variable and it is its standard form. This is also right, but this will be called the standard form. Okay, any query in this question? Okay, anyone else is having any query in this question? Here, now the equation is x minus, we got the equation x minus 2y equal to 0. So here, x के आगे वेरिएबल sorry coefficient क्या हुआ 1. So a is equal to 1 here. If we compare from with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, अगर हम इससे कंपेयर करते हैं तो a क्या हो गया 1, b क्या हो गया -2, because there is plus in the standard form, so that means b is -2, c is not here, separate constant term नहीं है हमारे पास, तो c will be 0 here, right? Now the second question is, express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. हमें सभी लीनियर इक्वेशन को इस फॉर्म में लेकर आना है, राइट? And indicate the values of a, b, c in each case. And the first of the equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar, right? So yes, Satvik, it's right. So you are to write down this in this form. So what we will do here, 2x plus 3y, will take this in left hand side, it will be minus 9.35 bar is equal to 0. We'll take here in the left hand side and right hand side will be left 0. Okay, so this is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 9.35 bar. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 9.35 bar, which is the constant term only, right? Let's take second part also for this. Let's understand the second part. X minus y upon 5 minus 10 equal to 0, right? So here, what will be the a? What will be the a here? 1. It's already in the form. ये ऑलरेडी आपके पास ए एक्स प्लस बी वाई प्लस सी की फॉर्म में है, और आप यहाँ से 5 इधर डिवाइड भी कर सकते हो और डायरेक्टली यू कैन डू लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, a1 हो गया और y के आगे जो b है दैट विल बी 1/5, दैट कैन बी 1/5, a1 b minus 1/5, just leave y and take 1/5 here, right? And c is equal to -10. That means you are having the equation x minus 1/5 y, you can write down like this, minus 10 equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1/5 and c is equal to minus 10. Yes, any query here? So can you complete this question now? Okay, again, so here next part is minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. So again we'll take this side 6 minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. This is of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 6. Right? Can you complete this question now? So complete this exercise. It's almost same now.